Good day, MMM community. I'm Juby, an ordinary MMM participant from Sorsogon, Philippines. Last November 8, 2015, I request to get an assistance amounting to 20,000 pesos from referral bonus. And today, November 9, 2015, I received the whole amount from participant Edwin. Thank you, sir, for providing me this assistance. And to all MMM participants, let us continue helping one another in this community, and let us continue sharing this mutual help system to other people. And to our founder, Sir Sergio Mabrodi, thank you for sharing this unique system in the Philippines. Together we can change the world.